After Mini 2, DJI directly came with the Mini 3 Pro in their compact drone lineup, and we asked ourselves the question, where's the standard Mini 2 drone? Now, who would have thought that DJI would come with the Mini 3 at the end of the year when no one is expecting it? The DJI Mini 3 is actually an affordable version of the DJI Mini 3 Pro but sports some improved features compared to the Mini 2. The main fact is, should you really go for the Mini 3 instead of the Mini 2? Let's find out in today's video. Design-wise, the DJI Mini 3 looks exactly like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but it's completely different from the DJI Mini 2. This means DJI came up with a new shell and has been reworked in several key areas for the DJI Mini 3. Plus, the DJI Mini 3 looks larger in every dimension compared to the Mini 2, which has a very tight-fitting case. And obviously, as a mini series, both drones weigh below 250 grams, giving you the ability to fly them without any permission required. As for the camera, both DJI Mini 3 and Mini 2 have 12 megapixel cameras, but the DJI Mini 3 boasts a 1x1.3 inch sensor, whereas the Mini 2 is equipped with a 1x2.3 inch sensor. As you can see, the Mini 3 has a larger sensor compared to the Mini 2, so it can hold up better at dusk and night. Also, the Mini 3 can retain more colors and details while capturing images or videos. Even the DJI Mini 3's gimbal is more versatile, which can tilt between -90 degrees to +60 degrees compared to -90 degrees to +20 degrees that we got in the DJI Mini 2. So, due to having a more versatile gimbal, the Mini 3 gives you the ability to shoot vertical videos which you can post on social media instantly. Both generations of drones can record 4K videos at 30 FPS, and if you want to hit 60 FPS, you need to drop down to 2.7K resolutions. Furthermore, both drones are missing a D-Cinema-like video profile, so you won't have any post-processing flexibility. Compared to the DJI Mini 2, the DJI Mini 3 did not get any boost in the obstacle avoidance sensors. Both of them have a downward vision system which helps them stay stable while hovering, and you won't have any front and back sensors that DJI used in the Mini 3 Pro. So, you gotta be more careful while flying the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 2. Also, both drones come with only Quick Shots AI functions and lack features like APAS 4.0, Hyperlapse, Spotlight 2.0, Active Track, Master Shots, and many more. As for the transmission range, both DJI Mini 3 and Mini 2 are equipped with DJI O2, which can transmit live 720p videos at 30 FPS. Also, both of them have the same transmission range, which is up to 10 kilometers. Moreover, the Mini 3 is compatible with both DJI RC and RC N1 remotes. On the other hand, the Mini 2 is only compatible with the standard RC N1 remote. Till now, we've seen both DJI Mini 3 and Mini 2 had almost similar features. But there is one thing that might surprise you, and that thing is the flight time. The Mini 3 has up to 38 minutes of runtime with a standard battery, and with the extended battery, it can deliver a flight time of up to 51 minutes. On the other hand, the Mini 2 can ensure a runtime of up to 31 minutes. This is where the Mini 3 is one step ahead compared to the Mini 2. But in terms of the price, the Mini 2 is much more affordable compared to the Mini 3. With almost similar features, the Mini 3 has a $469 price tag, whereas the Mini 2 is available at $449. Even with almost similar features, the Mini 3 comes with a higher price tag, which is a bit of a downgrade. For entry-level flyers, you would definitely want to spend as little as you can. In short, both the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 2 are equipped with almost similar features except for the design and camera sensor. Also, it's true that the Mini 3 can allow you to shoot vertical videos, but is this feature really important for beginners? The great thing you can have from the Mini 3 is improved battery life compared to the Mini 2, so you can shoot more videos without worrying about the battery life. But both the drones lack so many important AI features. So that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.